Hello, Professor. My name is Du Shuang. Let me start our presentation. Our report title is Xiaomi Company Strategy Analysis Report. And let me show our outline, which including company overview, core data analysis, strategy forecast, culture and management recommendations, and conclusions. So let's go to the first part, company overview. Xiaomi was established in 2010 by Lei Jun and his team. The company entered the smartphone market with the goal of providing high-quality products at affordable price. By 2023, it had become the world's third-largest smartphone manufacturer in terms of shipments, indicating its strong position in the global market. And Xiaomi shifted from a smartphone-focused brand to broader technology company centered on the AIoT ecosystem.
Let's look at Xiaomi's key numbers. From 2019 to 2023, Xiaomi's phone sales went up and down. They sold 119 million phones in 2021, but in 2023, they dropped it to 146 million. This happened because of 5G delays, supply problems, and weak demand. Still, Xiaomi grew in the mid-range market after Huawei left. Xiaomi's profit margin went down from 6.3% to 4.7%, but R&D spending went up from 3.6% to 5.7%. This shows Xiaomi is now focusing more on innovation, like chips and smart factories. In 2023, MIUI has 606 million active users. That's 20% more than in 2021. Xiaomi uses different plans in each region, like low-cost phones in India and strong privacy rules in Europe. This helps them to grow their income and existence.
Let me quickly Xiaomi's short and long-term outlook. In the short term, by 2030, the smartphone market will grow slowly. For Xiaomi, the big challenge is building a stronger supply chain. It needs to rely less on a few suppliers and step up its research development. Also, as Huawei returns, competition gets tougher, so Xiaomi must work closely with its partners to stay ahead as shown in Figure 5. Looking future to 2030 to 2040, Xiaomi's future developed on electric and the Internet for things, but is still behind neither next in patents and supply chain strengths. As we see in Figure 6, to compete, Xiaomi needs to invest more in innovation, partnerships, and sustainability. In short, strengthening its supply chains and focusing on innovation and the key for Xiaomi's growth.
Today, I will present Xiaomi's strict dominations for managed data privacy across regions. According to Trump's culture model, Europe plays rules uniform under the GDPR. China solo more flexibility with the PIPL, and India is in between. Xiaomi must tailor its compliance to fit this culture and legal differences. As shown in the table, each country varies in user rights, corporate obligations, and government rules. To success, the Xiaomi should 1. Build location compliance teams to meet national laws. 2. Improve transparency by clearly explaining data collection and user rights. This approach helps Xiaomi manage risks and meet regional expectations.
Part 5 is the conclusion. This session summarizes Xiaomi's three-stage global strategy. In the short term, the focus is on strengthening chip supply chain resilience by diversifying suppliers, localizing production, and setting up contingency plans. In the medium term, Xiaomi will expand its overall ecosystem and enhance data-driven platform capabilities. In the long term, the goal is cultural localization, building compliance and adaptation capabilities in regions with strict data regulations. To implement this, Xiaomi adopts a 6-step process. First, define strategic tasks. Second, assess organizational capabilities. Third, develop an implementation plan. Fourth, allocate resources and responsibilities. 5. Implement the strategy. 6. Monitor and adjust. In conclusion, Xiaomi should balance cost control with continuous innovation and flexibly respond to diverse cultural and policy environment to achieve sustainable global growth.